Hello, and welcome to the ProjectWise Administrator Advanced Accreditation course on Advanced Workflows. In this group of lessons, we learn how to configure advanced workflows using an Excel workbook. In this group of lessons, you will learn how to understand the key data source settings affecting workflows, learn why a workflow rules engine workbook is needed, discover how to configure menu options for specific workflows, and translate the process diagram into a set of workflow rules. In an earlier lesson, we learned how to create a business process diagram from a set of business requirements. During this lesson group, we will learn how to translate the business process diagram into an Excel workbook. In the next lesson group, we will implement the business requirements into the ProjectWise data source by importing the data in the Excel workbook. Note that the actual advanced workflow is configured in an Excel workbook, not in the ProjectWise client applications. In the next video, you will review key data source settings affecting workflows. You will then learn why a workflow rules engine workbook is needed. We will then dive into the Workflow Rules workbook to discover how to configure menu options for specific workflows. Finally, we will discuss how to translate a process diagram into a set of rules. The last video in this lesson group will provide a summary. Now that you know what the objectives are, it's time to review key data source settings affecting workflows.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.